Well, hello. Glad you're here. Let's go take a look at what's going on in the shop today. Hey, fellas.
So,
What's going on?
rearranging.
Making room?
All the Ghias in a row.
Nice.
Well, going to be.
Gotta love an organized shop, right? We got them alphabetical, by type, by color.
Yeah.
Well,
Something
not
like
really
that.
by year though, so that's
Oh, yeah.
or by color. So that's all
True.
freaking out.
That's
So,
true. So what's going on with the Pro G here?
Getting ready to set the body on the chassis this afternoon.
Oh, nice.
So the body's all ready to go. It's just drying from having undercoating done.
Yeah.
In the body color, so
Nice.
it matches.
Very cool. So you have enough guys? You only have 4.
All right, we already killed Spook earlier this morning. So
Oh,
we're good.
okay.
Yeah.
We tried to kill him anyway.
Yeah, we
Try to
tried
kill him.
We maimed him anyway. So
Oh,
we're good.
no. That's not good.
So he may be hollering this evening.
Yeah, no kidding.
So we moved range
Gonna have
out,
to beat on him. Oh,
out
yeah.
on deck.
Rain's
That's on deck.
To
Okay.
make room for this on the lift. We got to finish the top install on this, and it'll be done.
Nice.
And test drive.
Okay.
Um,
Test and tune.
so we had to move
So
range out
beautiful.
to make room.
Right.
So he's next in line for paint, but we've already got 2 in paint. So
Gonna pile up in paint, yo.
Yeah, because the buggy's got to come in next for paint.
we got a buggy that's coming in next. So
Yep.
Oh, the red one?
Yes, the little red one.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, the little red
Is
buggy.
it getting painted the same color or?
all
No.
kinds of different colors.
Really?
Yep, different color, and then it's getting electrical, and I mean, it's getting front.
Chassis rebuild, basically.
Yeah, chassis.
Ah,
Yeah.
Okay. And what are you working on?
We're getting the glass ready to go in the back of Wheeler. We got the headliner in it now, so
Nice.
yeah.
That looks like a project that takes patience. Like
Yes.
trying to spline a window or something.
Yeah.
Making a career out of it.
Oh, great.
Shut up.
Okay.
It's only been 4 days.
Hey, if you can't harass the people you work with, who can you harass, right?
Exactly.
We didn't like him.
Exactly.
Exactly,
That's when
yeah.
you got to worry, is when they're not
Yeah.
harassing
Well,
you.
You got issues.
Yeah, something's wrong.
That's true.
Yeah, that's when you start worrying.
Young Stone, what's up?
What's up?
Sanding, huh?
Always.
Which one was this again?
Fetterman.
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 There we go. All right. It's coming along, huh?
Yeah.
What are
Roof's-
these circles?
Roof's
Talk us
almost
through.
done.
Yeah?
That side's done.
Oh, there we go. There's
Those
the
are pretty
roof.
much done. I just gotta get around the windows and stuff.
And what are these? Interpret this graffiti here.
This is where the holes are. This is where the dips and the divots
Dips and divots.
gotta make it straight.
There we go. All right, so you're just sanding that out all down.
Sand
to
it
get
down,
like
then
this.
go over it again.
Yeah. All right.
That's pretty much what that'll be.
Nice.
Still got 2 more rounds
Okay.
to go on this, so.
Wow. Are you gonna shoot this one?
Yes, apparently.
So I heard that.
So,
That's gonna be a good one.
yeah.
Lots of
It's gonna,
practice.
it's gonna be interesting. That's for
Yeah,
sure.
that's good.
Considering I gotta shoot the undercarriage.
How are you gonna
The
do that?
undercarriage is getting painted.
How? You have to put it on the rotisserie?
No, we can't because it has all the suspension in it.
Right. So where do you shoot the bottom?
Get on jack stands.
Okay.
And then get on a creeper.
I was gonna say, but you're still not gonna be able to stand up under it. You just lay on your back on a scooter?
I'm gonna be laying down, rolling around.
So Spook will just like pull you by your legs?
I guess. I don't know.
All right, we gotta get that on video for sure.
That's gonna be interesting.
Woo! Look at that. Dang.
Yeah, that's gonna hit the floor today.
Nice.
So did the undercoating, got all
Okay.
that masked up, and
What's going on the can?
yep, we did the I did the Tyvek thing today.
Oh,
So
okay.
had my Tyvek suit on, mask on, so undercoating got done. So
Nice.
everything on the underside of the body,
Okay.
and then we also do about 1 3/4 along the bottom of the rocker panel,
Yeah.
and then we do a little bit up on the nose and a little bit up on the bottom of the tail.
How come?
because that's where we tend to see rock chips.
Ah.
So this will actually protect the paint.
Okay.
And 52-year-old men should not be crawling around underneath cars.
No. So speaking of which, Youngstone's going to be doing the underside of Fetterman. How is that going to... So it's going up on jacks. How is he going to move around under there?
He's going to be crawling, and it's going to be a nasty day.
That is...
It's going to be a nasty day for that one. We're just thankful we have a second air conditioner in.
Yeah, it's nice and cool in here. It's almost
Yeah.
a little chilly.
Almost. We got guys over at, I think it's H.C. Bryant.
Yep.
Electrical contractor, general contractor, HVAC, plumbing, that kind of stuff. They came in and did a mini split for us, 4-ton, into the main shop, which doubles our AC capacity now. So this machine here is a 4-ton, and that one's a 4-ton.
Yeah.
And we're probably going to need at least one more for the back side of the building, but got to make enough money to pay for it first.
Yep.
So
Dave Ramsey
Dave
style.
Ramsey rocks. So,
Well, that's very cool.
yeah.
But
So
that's, yeah, I mean, that's so much better.
yeah.
You guys work hard. It's awfully hard to do it while you're dripping sweat.
You tend to lose energy too, and then we've got problems with the panels.
Right.
So we'll get flash rust because of the humidity levels that we've been getting here in the south. It's like our heat index for the last 2 days is topped 104.
Right.
I think it was supposed to be 107 yesterday or
Yeah.
something like that. And it's mostly humidity because
It
the temperature's
is.
only, the temperature's in the high 80s, low 90s.
Yeah.
But
But with that humidity,
the
it feels
humidity
like
just
we're on my
zaps you
gills.
guys.
Yeah.
And then our panels, anything we've gotten with bare steel, will flash rust. So we got to go back in and clean that up, treat it. And so it's like the panels that I'm starting to prep, which are underneath plastic back there. That's for Fetterman. That's all the secondary panels for the bus, because we're going to fit everything up before we can get into sealer.
Right.
Just to make sure that we don't have any wonky stuff, because we've been having some problems with the bottoms of the bus doors. And we've also had problems with the side doors.
Okay.
So they're not fitting quite right, and so we were having to go back in and do rework. We had to do it on Betty Bus, and we had to do it on Ron's double cab after paint.
Okay.
So that means we had to
Oh, so like
repaint.
on Betty's where it was hard to close one of those doors.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then it kicked out, so the lines weren't right, and we just never tested that door. The other door
Right.
was fine.
Yeah.
The one we did test, hey, no problem. So we're going to do that, but I've got to go back in and clean up all the flash rust, because that's been sitting for almost a month, and it's only been half shot. So that's what's on my agenda today.
How long does it take flash rust to appear?
It's
Like overnight?
well overnight to the point where you can see it,
Wow.
but if you leave any steel out
Yeah.
untreated, it'll start flash rusting immediately.
Wow.
But you won't see it.
Can you feel it?
No, actually you can't.
Okay.
It just
You just know it's there.
you just know it's there. So it's like when we get into a bare metal situation, we use phosphoric acid,
Uh-huh.
and it's an etch.
Okay.
So, and what that'll do is instead of going iron oxide rust,
Yeah.
it goes over to
phosphoric oxide, which is the oxidation of the phosphorus. And I know I'm getting a little deep. I was going to say nerd. Yeah, nerd alert. But it is not hygroscopic, which means it doesn't crack water. And it also, the pH is compatible with our paint system. So we don't have any mixed acid chemistries, alkaline or base, or, if you know anything about chemistry, you have an acid or a base. And this is like within that same parameters as the paints.
so it doesn't cause any adhesion issues. In fact, it actually helps with adhesion.
Oh, cool.
So that's
Make rust work for you.
well, it's not rust, but it's oxidation.
Oxidation.
So for those of you guys who like playing around and doing this on yourself, go down to Home Depot or Lowe's and buy yourself some. It's called either Must for Rust or Prep and Etch. So when you get into your bare steel and you gotta walk away from it a while, just wipe a little bit on there, and it'll scratch right off when you go back to working on it, but it'll stop the flash rust. So that's your pro tip for the
There's
day.
your tip for the day, folks.
Pro tip for the day.
All right.
I don't know what else we got doing, although I have to go deliver a transmission to UPS for a core.
Okay.
So Churko's was kind enough to send us up one for a buggy.
Cool.
I just got to get the core back to him now. So
All right.
means I have to leave.
Yeah.
I'll do that
no.
stuff.
All right.
and it gets too hot for me to work, and I just get too tired.
Yep. So we got Ghia pan mating today.
Yes, we'll do a Ghia pan mating. We'll take some photographs for you. You know, if we can get a video of it happening, then we'll get a video. If we can't, we can't.
Gotcha.
We'll give it a shot. Other than that, first available we've got for bookings is going to be November. So
Okay.
the September slot has been taken
That's for restorations.
for restoration, for mechanical or mini builds or bumper to bumper stuff. We still got some availability, but it's looking like probably October.
Okay. So they should call if they want that.
Yeah, they should call if they want that.
Or
just-
info@airkoolkustoms.com.
And what's else going on? October 12th here at the shop, so 2 months away.
Yep.
We've got Lowdown in Dubtown.
Yes, we do.
This is 13 or 14 years of this. I don't know. I'll have to go back and look.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Having changed the name, it's hard to keep track now. But
Yeah, so I don't know. So that's October 12th. Please put it on your calendar.
the show is free, folks.
Yep, it's all by donation. Save a dog, save a warrior.
Train a dog.
Train a dog, save a warrior. So that's for all of our returning vets with PTSD. They do a real good job. Private organization, all volunteers, and they help train dogs and owners to mesh together and be a service animal. So it's really
Dogs
awesome.
are good people.
Yeah, it's like I like them. I think it's really, you know, it's a good way to give back to the community, and this way we can help. Highly Volkswagen is helping us out.
Oh, great.
I think they're going to be helping sponsor the show with a donation.
Nice. O'Reilly's coming too.
O'Reilly's is coming to do hot dogs and barbecue. And
Thanks,
they say-
James.
Yep. So we are not collecting any money from this. We're going to have change doors or money buckets there.
Right.
Everything is by donation.
Yeah.
So you'll have the top three, and it's all people's choice.
Yeah.
So you can bring your car. The trophies will be made here in house. We haven't started that yet.
Oh yeah, I gotta talk to Rodney.
Yeah, I have already talked to him on
You
that.
did? All right.
Yeah, he's going to do it. What else is going on?
Oh, we got the engine blow.
The engine blow, which is a 50-50, and we'll be doing some giveaways, and I think we're going to give away a couple copies, autographed copies of the book.
Yeah.
If you haven't gotten your copy of How to Rebuild Your Volkswagen,
How to restore your
How to
VW Beetle.
Restore Your VW Beetle by Airkooled Kustoms, Amazon.com. Link should be, I think it's like over here.
Yeah, it's airkoolkustoms.com/Beetlebook.
Yeah, so we'll put it in the captions.
Yeah.
So get it, leave a review for us. We'd really appreciate it. I see we got some haters still, which I love living
You
rent.
ain't nobody till you got haters.
I love my haters because it means that we are living rent free in somebody's head.
Yeah, that's a pretty good deal.
That's like I like that. So other than that, that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. All right. Well, thanks for the visit.
You're welcome. We're out.
Say goodbye to the nice people.
Goodbye, nice people.
Okay, rumor has it that there's a meeting going on in the shop. So for all of you nature documentary folks, we're gonna go watch a VW in the wild mating. Should we play some like Lou Rawls? I don't know, brown chicken, brown cow, something like that. All right, somebody's got to play some nice music. Brown chicken, brown cow. No. Come on, we're watching Dub's mating in the wild.
It'll be Headbangers Ball.
Or old school rap that nobody really wants to listen to.
Oh man.
Oh, well, you know. The bad rap, not the good rap.
Wait, I'm feeling like this might not be what I thought it was. I
I
thought I was watching Dub mating. This is not that.
What is mating? Well, they're probably gonna have to lift us up a little bit.
You want me to lift it up, Spook? Can you get the front or?
I don't want to lift it up too high because you got to go up over the shock tower.
That's true. That could be a bump.
a big bump.
Don't bump it.
Okay.
I'll take this up.
All right, why are we wearing gloves?
Because it's first
Fresh paint.
Fresh paint.
And it's soft.
And soft, fresh paint.
Ready?
It was undercoated this
All
morning.
right, guys, here's how we do it.
2, 3.
Men of steel, moving steel.
No, we're just transporting it.
All right.
Whoa,
Whoa, you way off. The back's got to go over your way, Rodney.
Go over my
No,
way.
it's got to go. You have to go your way.
No, it can't.
Yes, you can.
Go your way.
You're on your center of your hoop.
Oh,
There you are. Where are we sitting now?
Trump tower. You guys are good on your end. You're good. Just cut it close.
It's a tight fit.
Tight fit?
All right. Was it good for you?
Don't make me a sandwich, wench.
Talk to the Ghia. I'm
must
not
not have
making you a
done your
sandwich.
job right.
Make me a sandwich, woman.
You didn't do your job right. Lift this up so we can get this tape out, please. We're gonna just tape right here.
Someone didn't untape all the way.
I missed a couple pieces. There's a lot of tape in this thing.
Why did
Yeah,
you
you
take it?
did.
Because I was just doing the
Rock
undercoating.
and roll.
I just wanted to get it on the fresh paint.
There you go.
So at this point, we actually consider it starting to be a car again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like, now we start putting stuff onto it.
Nice. That is
That's a
so
tight fit.
gorgeous.
Yeah, it is.
All
Wow,
right.
ladies
That's what
racing
she
someday.
said. Oh, Look at this. Shiny.
Shiny white.
It's shiny.
Floor plan matches.
Yep.
Are you guys proud of yourselves? Of course. Like every day. Look at this stuff you're making. It's incredible.
And we're not even built a house in here.
Yeah, we have 3.
Yeah, we have 3 now.
Yeah, we got a. I like it. You know, they're lined up. We got Dr. Ann. We've got Fergie.
No, sir. That's Fergie. This is Gaza.
Those guys are
Oh!
That's
Fergie.
Oh, this is Gazo. This is not Pro G. This is.
That's Fergie.
This is Fergie. Yeah.
Ferguson.
Sex and candy. All right. That's Gazo. Where's Pro G?
This is Fergie.
Gazo.
Gazo. That's what I said. You're correcting me. And I was
No,
like,
you said
I was already
Fergie.
I didn't say Fergie.
Whatever, it's
Okay.
Gazo,
It's there.
Pro G, whatever you
Duke
want
it
to
out.
call it.
It's there.
Whatever.
Look out.
Outstanding.
Appreciate y'all.